Chemiosmosis is a process that occurs in mitochondria during aerobic respiration and in chloroplasts during photosynthesis. Describe the differences between the process of chemiosmosis in mitochondria and the process of chemiosmosis in chloroplast. So, guys, we all know that chemiosmosis occurs both in mitochondria and in chloroplasts. So we need to differentiate between the processes of chemiosmosis in chloroplast and mitochondria, right? So we all know that chemiosmosis in mitochondria occurs during oxidative phosphorylation, whereas chemiosmosis is in chloroplast, whereas chemiosmosis in chloroplast occurs during photophosphorylation, right? And the other differences are that uh, in the chemiosmosis in mitochondria, electrons and protons are provided by reduced NADs and reduced FADs, right? Whereas in chemiosmosis in chloroplast, hydrogens and electrons are provided by the water. Hydrogens and electrons are released by the photolysis of water, right? And we can also say that in the chemiosmosis in mitochondria, the final acceptor of electrons and protons is oxygen, whereas in chemiosmosis in chloroplast, the final acceptor of electrons and protons is NADP, which makes reduced NADP. So in mitochondria, in chemiosmosis in mitochondria, water is formed when oxygen picks up electrons and protons, whereas in chemiosmosis in chloroplast, reduced NADP is produced when NADP picks up electrons and protons. And the other differences are that in chemiosmosis in mitochondria, hydrogen ions are pumped from the matrix to intermembrane space, whereas in chemiosmosis in chloroplasts, hydrogen ions are pumped from the stroma to the thylakoid space. So, guys, there are a lot of differences. We just need to write. We just need to write 3 points. So let's write them down. We can also say that chemiosmosis in mitochondria occurs in the inner membrane or cristae, whereas chemiosmosis in chloroplast occurs in the thylakoid membrane, right, or the membrane of the grana. Okay, let's write it down, the differences. In mitochondria, chemiosmosis occurs during oxidative phosphorylation, whereas in chloroplasts, it occurs during photophosphorylation. All right. The second difference is that in mitochondria, reduced NAD slash reduced FAD give protons and electrons, whereas in chloroplasts, these are made available or provided by photolysis of water, right? And what else can we write? Oxygen in mitochondria, oxygen is the final acceptor of protons and electrons to form water. In mitochondria, oxygen acts as the final acceptor of protons and electrons to form water, whereas in chloroplast, NADP acts as the final acceptor of protons and electrons to form reduced NADP. So guys, these are the 3 points that we can write. There are other points as well that we discussed earlier.